Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Today I have brought a treat for all the people who are into photography or like to collect vintage cameras. This here is an old seagull camera made in China. These are film cameras. They required 6 by 6 or 6 by 4.5 reels, film reels for capturing the photo. It is still in the original leather casing that came with the camera, and if the relevant films are available today, I am pretty much sure that the camera is in functional condition. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.